छिपाई रे लाली चुनर ओढ़ के मूंद के मुखड़ा अपना, निकली अंधेरे में दुनिया के डर से मैं सजना।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to do this gorgeous Karwa Chauth makeup look. So Karwa Chauth is on Wednesday, that is on 4th of November if I'm not wrong. So this is a change that I'm bringing to my channel. All throughout this time you have seen me introducing myself with the makeup on. However, this time I am going to show you the makeup all from the base so that you can see the end result at the last. And before we get right into this makeup, I'm gonna tell you a bit more about my giveaway. So this giveaway is gonna take this whole month of November. I'm starting from 1st November. I'm shooting this on 1st of November, and this giveaway is gonna last for the entire November month. The first video I upload on December, I'll be announcing the name of the winner of this giveaway. So you will be getting products for giveaways like the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette in the shade 02. You will be getting one lipstick from Faces Canada in the shade Forsake Beauty 01, and you will be getting an eyeliner from Blue Heaven, which is waterproof as well as smudge proof. The name being Blue Heaven Jet Black Eyeliner. So these are the giveaway items that I'll be giving you out. I've already ordered them today, so probably by the next 2-3 videos I'll be able to show you the products that I'll be giving you, so that you can get a better idea of it. And to enroll in the giveaway, you just have to follow these steps: subscribing to my channel, follow me up on my Instagram. At the end of every video, I'll be asking you something about your personal life so that you can comment me down in the comment box below. And also, this is an optional, but you have to share my videos. But this, however, will enhance your chance of winning this giveaway. So enough of this giveaway talking, so let's get into this video. So I am assuming that you are celebrating Karwa Chauth at your own home, in your own terrace, or in the veranda, or wherever you're comfortable with. So I'm not going very ham with the makeup. I'll keep it very light, very home friendly, but very gorgeous at the same time. So the first to keeping naturally gorgeous is to always naturally carving out your brows. So I've already done it, and this looks very natural, very homely. So, and also I haven't yet cleaned up under my eyes so that it doesn't get that sharp kind of an edge. Although I should have, because I have some stray hairs out here. So anyways, without that, let's move into this.
So for foundation, I'm gonna take Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 128. So this is a very medium to full coverage foundation. It's buildable in nature, and this foundation is ideal for my skin tone, and it is very comfortable to wear, as you can already see over here. So after we are done with the foundation, I'm gonna skip to concealer. This is the Inside Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna first lightly dose it under my eyes because this gives a very natural, healthy kind of an eye look before I apply a full coverage foundation or a concealer. So after that, I'm gonna take the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 05, and I'm gonna lightly put it under my under eyes, as you can see, and also on the corner of my eyes. And also I'm carving out my eyebrows. As I told you, I had some stray hairs over there, so I'm blending it in, and as you can see, this blends very beautifully into the skin, giving a very full coverage kind of a look, as you can see over here. Now after that, I'm taking a powder puff, and for compact, I'm taking Illy 18 compact, and I'm gonna lightly do it onto my face with a brush, as you can see over here. And after that, the same compact I'm taking on a smaller brush and setting the concealer on top of my eyelids. Then from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'm gonna take the shade Fling and put it onto my eyelids. As you can see, this is a beautiful rose pink kind of a shade, as you can see, and this looks beautiful on top of any other eyeshadow. You can put it on all by itself as well, as I'm doing it over here. I'm keeping it very simple. Then from the same palette, I'm gonna take the shade Rose Gold and top it on the Fling shade that I've already put on to my eyelids with the help of a finger, so that there is more color payoff, as you can see. Then I'm going to take Lakme Insta liner and I'm gonna do a sharp kind of a wing, which is very ethnic. Then I'm going to take Sringar Kajal and do the lower waterline and not the lash line, as I'm going to keep it simple as I said. And then with a brush I'm just going to smudge it onto the outer edge of my lower lash line as I have shown. From the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette, I'm going to take this shade and use it as my bronzer, as you can see, to give a bit of a warmth to the skin and also to sculpt my face. So I'm basically hitting it on the upper cheekbone on the lower half. So after we are done, I'm going to take the Baby Love blush from the Mars Love Flush palette and use it onto the apples of my cheeks to give a bit of a flush to the skin, and also onto the places where I have put contour to give a bit of a more aesthetic kind of a look, as you can see. Now I'm doing the nose contouring as I always do with the help of my fingers, and I'm putting the shade and then smudging it with the middle finger. Then from the Makeup Revolution XO palette, I'm going to take this shade and use it as my highlighter to highlight the bridge of my nose, as you can see, the tip. And also I'm going to hit it onto the upper cheekbones and the cupid's bow with the help of a brush. And this gives a bit of a glow that is artificial in nature, but it looks beautiful on the skin. Next I'm going to take Blue Heaven's Elegance lipstick in the shade 01. It is a bright and true red color, as you can see. It is matte in nature and it is very light on the lips, and it stays for a long time. So this is beautiful and it goes beautiful with this look, as you can see. And it is very prominent on the camera. I'm using the same to mimic the bindi and the sindoor as well. Now I'm going to use the mascara from Too Faced, Better Than Sex, and this will help to lift up my lashes without using any kind of falsies.
Hey guys, this is the final look, and as you can see, this is the gorgeous, very natural but very pretty kind of bridal and Karwa Chauth makeup look, and this is very ideal if you are a new bride as well. So this is a very new Nai Naveli Dulhan type of a look. So if you're loving how this is looking, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
आलगा आजा राजा बंगले के पीछे तेरे